Sussex Rural Electric Cooperative distributes power from a variety of power suppliers. We transport this electricity across power lines to your local utility poles. Substations and transformers step down the voltage, making the electricity safe to use. The power arrives at your home via a service drop made up of 3 of our silver and black wires twisted together just above the phone and cable wires. The service drop comes off the pole and meets your home. This is called the point of attachment, and it's where equipment ownership transitions from co-op to member. It can connect straight to your house like this, or to a weatherhead which keeps rain out of the system. The weatherhead directs the wire down and into your home, sometimes covered by a pipe. This leads to your meter pan, which your meter sits directly in the middle. The meter pan delivers the electricity to your service panel or fuse box and tracks your power usage and reports it to us. You own and must maintain all equipment attached to your home except for the meter, which your co-op is responsible for. The center for your meter should be 4 to 6 feet off the ground. Please allow for 3 feet of clearance in front of your meter so it's easily accessible. You can help us troubleshoot a problem and save you time by taking a picture with your phone and send it to us at askoperations@sussexrec.com so we can determine if we or a local electrician can solve it. If you need to call an electrician, we will still come out for free disconnects or reconnect Monday through Friday during normal working hours. When problems occur with your electric meter or service drop to your home, SREC is ready to take care of the issue. Our linemen always work hard to restore power during outages. Still, if there are issues with your service or you have questions, don't hesitate to call. Our dedicated member services team is here to help. Please check our website for more information on service requirements. This knowledge can help you identify problems so we can help you troubleshoot faster.